Welcome to this Python course. So today I'm going to show you how you can set up the environment to take this course. So firstly, open your browser. I'm going to show you how you can download and install Python, and after that how can you also install the IDE. So firstly, open the browser and type Python download and hit enter. You can see this link, python.org. Go ahead and click it. You can see this button saying download Python 3 point blah blah blah. The version might be different by the time you are watching this video. So uh, go ahead and click this button. So for time saving, I've already downloaded Python. You can go ahead. You can see it in my downloads here. I've already downloaded Python. So I'm going to install this setup. Okay. So I will simply double click it. You can see this window that opened. Use admin privileges. Tick this box. Okay. And add python.exe to path. Also tick this box. Okay. And click install now. Wait for it to finish the installation process. Okay. You can see Python was installed. Setup was successful. Okay. So you click this button close. And if you want to make sure Python was successfully installed, go ahead and open the command prompt by pressing the window button if you are using the window button, or open any terminal if you are using Mac, and click enter here. Right, so in the terminal we want to see the version of Python we are running, so write Python version in here, Python version. So it's Python minus version, and click enter. You can see we have Python 3.13.12. So this means that Python was successfully installed. Okay, you go ahead also in the browser and search for. We are going to, in this course, we are going to use PyCharm as our IDE. So go ahead and type PyCharm in here, PyCharm download. Okay, and hit enter. You can see we have this link that comes from JetBrains. So you simply have to click this link from JetBrains and open it. So PyCharm requires you to have a license, but don't worry if you don't have any license. You have to go ahead and download this community edition here. You will be good to go. So this course doesn't require a professional edition. If you have it, then it's good for you, but if you don't, you can use the community edition. Right after downloading it, you can install the PyCharm IDE. Right after installation, we are going to start the coding part. So I'm going to show you how you can install a virtual environment. So previously, when we installed Python, Python comes with a package to manage dependencies, which is called pip. So we first look the pip version from this terminal window and use this command pip version to actually find out which version or what version is the pip that has been installed. So this is 24.3.1. So let's clear this screen. Excuse me. Yeah, we have cleared the screen. So I would like to show you how you can install virtual environment in the terminal. Previously, we were creating virtual environment, or PyCharm was creating the virtual environment for us when we were creating the project. Now I want to show you a different way you can actually create a virtual environment that you can use to install the dependencies or any software framework which you want to use on your project, and that software installed in a virtual environment is going to be platform independent, so it will belong to that virtual environment only and not into the global system of your computer. So let's go ahead and install virtual environment. So we use the pip library, which is used to manage the dependencies, to install another dependencies. So pip install virtual env. if you hit enter and wait for quite some time, you're going to see that the virtual environment is going to be installed on this computer. So after the installation, as you can see, the virtual environment installed is version 20.30.0. After the installation, we are going to create a virtual environment by ourselves in this terminal. So let's clear the screen here. And after clearing the screen, you can see I've created a folder named demo here. And in this folder, this is where we want to create our virtual environment. So let's open the command prompt in this folder. So I use the shortcut like typing cmd in this path here and hit enter. It will open the terminal in the current folder. So I'm in the demo folder here. What I'm going to do is to install virtual environment, is to activate, or I want to create a virtual environment first. So let me create a virtual environment using the installed dependence virtualenv, something like this. And I want to name my virtual environment as venv for virtual environment. So if I hit enter and wait a minute, you are going to see that the virtual environment is going to be created inside this folder. So it is created now. You can see it inside this one. So inside demo, we have the venv folder that contains the libraries, the scripts, and some configurations here. So these scripts, inside these scripts is where we are going to actually have our scripts which we are going to use to manage this virtual environment. Like if you want to activate the virtual environment, you can see we have the activate here. So there's a batch file created to activate the environment. So let's go ahead and have a look on some libraries. You can see we have pip and the virtual environment also. So this is all. What I'm going to show you is to activate this virtual environment here. So inside demo, if you list the directories using dir command, you can see that we have the venv folder only here, or the venv directory only here. So let me clear the screen. And what we want to use is the activate batch file inside these scripts to activate the virtual environment, so that instead of working globally on our machine, we'll be working on the virtual environment. So the next thing we're going to do is to use this file. So you can see the path to this file is demo, venv, and scripts. So I have to change directories to this. Let me say cd venv first, and put these scripts here, hit enter. You can see I'm in scripts now. So what I can do is to run the activate, and it's a batch file which ends with a bat, and hit enter. You can see now instead of the path starting with C and full colon, it's now starting with venv. And this means we have activated our virtual environment. So this is how you can actually activate virtual environment in the terminal window. And you can also activate it using the Windows PowerShell. But that is for the next lectures.